In Bangalore, you can see a lot of builders in every corner, but there's no trustworthy builders.
ತುಂಬನೇ ಸಂತೋಷ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. ಯಾಕೆಂದರೆ ನಾವು ನಮ್ಮ ಮನೆ ಕನಸಿನ ಮನೆ ಹೇಗಿರಬೇಕು ಅಂತ ಅಂದ್ಕೊಂಡಿದ್ವು ಅದೇ ಥರ ಬಂದಿದೆ.
Working with Builder Home has been a tremendous experience. It's a dream come true.
ಇದು ನಮ್ಮ ಮಕ್ಕಳಿಗೆ ಮಗಳಿಗೆ ಅಳಿಯನಿಗೆ ಹೆಲ್ಪ್ ಆಗಲಿ ಅಂತ ಅವರಿಗೆ
ಲೈಫಲ್ಲಿ ಒಂದೇ ಸಲ ಮನೆ ಕಟ್ಟೋದು, ಪದೇ ಪದೇ ಕಟ್ಟಿದ್ರು ಅದು ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಮನೆ
ಸ್ಯಾಟಿಸ್ಫ್ಯಾಕ್ಷನ್ ಬರೋ
ಬೆಸ್ಟ್ ಮನೆ.
It is quite emotional for me because they didn't think that I will make out. It is actually one of my dream come true.
There's a very famous saying in Kannada about the two most difficult things that a person has to do in their life. It goes, Mane katti nodu, madve maadi nodu. We can't help with your marriage, but I'm very, very sure we can help with your home. Welcome to Build a Home.
Houses that we build are built with a lot of involvement, passion, care and concern, and we too have a lot of stories and sentiments attached to it.
Build a Home does not believe in subcontracting of works. We do not believe in getting commission just for the work that we do. In Build a Home, we always believe that a company grows only if its associates grow. We don't call the people who work here as employees, we call them associates. We are building houses from 20 lakhs to 2.5 crores. The same amount of effort and service that a 2 or a 2.5 crore house would get, a 20 lakh house would get as well.
This company is built with an intention to create a complete transformation in the way the houses are built in India. We ensure that from day one of the involvement, that's the day on which the client has signed our agreement, till the day of handing over, there is a complete clarity on the process that is involved, or the approach that we adopt in building these houses.
Once your requirements have been noted out, we will be sending you a customized proposal. So in this proposal, you might find the advantages of the company along with the cost which is being given to York House Construction.
We directly talk to the client. We'll help them break down their requirements, note down the requirements, and start off with the basic conceptual plans. One of the main criteria for conceptual plans would be Vastu.
So a structural engineer has a very crucial responsibility when it comes to the safety of the buildings, because we have to design the structure in a way that it's able to take all the physical forces that are acting on it.
I will manage in such a way that site team should get sufficient material from purchase team and sufficient support from the QS team, and make sure that all the designs will be ready to execute the work.
I want to show you the handover kit which we give it to our customers on successful completion of the project.
Build a Home provides solutions for individual houses to be greener. Each and every house that Build a Home builds has a grey water harvesting and a rainwater harvesting facility. As much as possible, we use materials which are eco-friendly, materials which are green in nature, and materials which do not need a lot of plastic. We build houses which are self-sustainable. We have built a couple of houses in Mangalore and Bangalore where the houses are self-sufficient. When you come to Build a Home, we give you a 1-year guarantee and 10-year warranty on the works that we do. You would not see this in any other place. When you speak about individual houses, you're not speaking about just that particular house. You're speaking about the emotions connected over years together of saving that money, making sure the amount of money that is needed to build their particular house is protected, taking loans, and you're building a place where you would see happiness, you would see marriages, you would see festivals being celebrated. It's not something which is very easy or simple. You're dealing with people's emotions here. You're dealing with lifelong savings of people who are entrusting us, an organization, to build their dream home.
We want Build a Home to be the household name when it comes to construction of independent houses.
Build a Home is the most honest, transparent and ethical company that you can find to get your individual house built.
आइए घर बनाएंगे.
రండి మీ కలల ఇల్లు నిర్మిద్దాం.
వాంగ వీడు కట్టలాం.
ಬಲೆ ಇಲ್ಲು ಕಟ್ಟುಗ.
ಬನ್ನಿ ನಿಮ್ಮ ಕನಸಿನ ಮನೆ ಕಟ್ಟೋಣ.
ಬನ್ನಿ